Welcome to Cheers to Nostalgia, where we take a trip down memory lane and revisit the iconic cocktails of the 1990s that are making a delightful comeback in 2025. From the vibrant flavors of a cosmopolitan to the sweet allure of an appletini, this video celebrates the classics that defined a decade of unforgettable nights out. Join us as we explore the top 10 favorite 90s cocktails that are ready to shake things up again, proving that some drinks are truly timeless. Cheers! 1. The Cosmopolitan. The Cosmopolitan, often simply called the Cosmo, was the epitome of sophistication in the 90s. Made famous by pop culture and television shows, this cocktail is a blend of vodka, triple sec, cranberry juice, and a splash of lime. Its appeal lies in its simple, yet elegant presentation, often served in a sleek martini glass. The bright pink hue of the drink is both eye-catching and inviting. As we welcome this cocktail back into the limelight, it brings with it a sense of glamour and fun, reminiscent of a night out on the town. The Cosmopolitan remains a symbol of style, perfect for those who enjoy a drink with a touch of class. 2. Appletini. The Appletini, a playful twist on the classic martini, is making a bold comeback. This bright green cocktail, known for its sweet and tangy flavor, is a blend of vodka and apple schnapps. Often garnished with a slice of apple, it offers not just a drink, but an experience. The Appletini appeals to those who love a fruity and refreshing taste, making it an excellent choice for a sunny afternoon or a lively party. Its resurgence in popularity is a testament to its timeless appeal and the joy it brings to cocktail enthusiasts. 3. Sex on the Beach. Sex on the Beach is a cocktail that embodies the carefree spirit of summer vacations. With its combination of vodka, peach schnapps, cranberry juice, and orange juice, it offers a burst of fruity flavors. The drink's provocative name adds to its allure, making it a favorite for those looking to add a bit of fun to their drink menu. As this cocktail makes its return, it brings back memories of beach parties and sun-soaked days. Its popularity in 2025 is a reminder of the simple pleasures of life and the joy of sharing a delicious drink with friends. 4. White Russian. The White Russian is a creamy, indulgent cocktail that has captured the hearts of many. Made with vodka, coffee liqueur, and cream, it offers a rich and satisfying taste. This drink gained fame in the 90s and has remained a favorite for those who enjoy a dessert-like cocktail. The smooth texture and coffee-flavored kick make it a perfect choice for cozy evenings or as an after-dinner treat. As it re-emerges in 2025, the White Russian continues to be a beloved classic, offering comfort and warmth in every sip. 5. Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon is a cocktail that dazzles with its vibrant blue color and refreshing taste. Combining vodka, blue curacao, and lemonade, it offers a citrusy and sweet experience. The drink is often garnished with a slice of lemon or cherry, adding to its visual appeal. The Blue Lagoon is perfect for those who love a drink that is as beautiful as it is delicious. Its return in 2025 is a celebration of color and creativity in cocktail making, bringing a splash of excitement to any gathering. 6. Midori Sour. The Midori Sour is a cocktail that stands out with its bright green hue and sweet melon flavor. Made with Midori liqueur, lemon juice, and a splash of soda, it offers a refreshing and tangy taste. This drink is a favorite for those who enjoy a sweet and sour combination, making it a delightful choice for any occasion. As the Midori Sour makes its comeback, it brings a sense of whimsy and nostalgia, reminding us of the playful side of cocktail culture. 7. Long Island Iced Tea. The Long Island Iced Tea is a powerhouse cocktail, known for its potent mix of spirits. Combining vodka, rum, tequila, gin, triple sec, and a splash of cola, it offers a complex and robust flavor. Despite its name, the drink contains no tea, but its color resembles that of iced tea. The Long Island Iced Tea is perfect for those who enjoy a strong and flavorful drink, making it a popular choice for parties. Its return in 2025 is a testament to its enduring appeal and the thrill it brings to cocktail lovers. 8. Amaretto Sour. The Amaretto Sour is a cocktail that delights with its sweet almond flavor and tangy twist. Made with amaretto liqueur, lemon juice, and a hint of sugar, it offers a balanced and refreshing taste. Often garnished with a cherry or an orange slice, it adds a touch of elegance to any occasion. The Amaretto Sour is perfect for those who appreciate a sweet and sophisticated drink, making it a timeless favorite. As it makes its comeback, it continues to charm cocktail enthusiasts with its unique flavor profile. 9. Frozen Daiquiris and Margaritas. Frozen daiquiris and margaritas are the ultimate summer cocktails, offering a cool and refreshing escape from the heat. Made with rum or tequila, lime juice, and a touch of sweetness, these drinks are blended with ice to create a slushy, irresistible treat. The frozen versions of these classic cocktails have remained popular for their fun and festive nature. As they make a return in 2025, they bring back memories of beach vacations and poolside parties, offering a taste of paradise in every sip. 10. Kamikaze Shot. Kamikaze shots are a bold and exhilarating choice for those looking to add some excitement to their drink menu. Made with vodka, triple sec, and lime juice, these shots offer a tangy and potent kick. The Kamikaze is perfect for those who enjoy a quick and flavorful drink, making it a popular choice for celebrations and nights out. As these shots make their comeback, they remind us of the thrill of taking a leap and the joy of living in the moment.